I'll say it right now.
I think the fuck not, you trick ass bitch.
Never mind. Let's move on. Got this song and discovered we.
Battlefield, Call of Duty, just chatting, watching videos. Oh, well, this is interesting. He's making his own game. I respect that.
Dude, that's a big.
Good value, good value.
Caterpie. Fighting energy. Is this the last holo? Is it the last holo?
Oh!
Oh!
What's behind the fire doors?
That's the first fire energy I've seen all day. God.
I'm hyped. It's it!
Alright. I'm gonna go into bullet time.
Alright.
Are you the killer? Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop moving. Move back. Get away from me. Get away from me.
It's the Asian boy.
It's the fridge.
It's him. It's him.
It was the fridge.
Which one is the
Stop
true
moving.
killer?
Stop moving.
Which one is the real one?
Alright.
You, it's the fridge. You can find a knife in her fridge.
I just have power.
I have a method. I have a method, Sterling.
And a knife.
What's your method?
What's my favorite color?
Orange.
Shoot him.
We did it. We won. We won.
We got it. We did it.
Hey,
We did it. We
wait,
did it.
how'd you kill him?
And that's how you do it.
Like, if you get plastic surgery, like boob job, I give a $5.
I don't think you need it.
How do you know?
I'm just, I was just saying. I didn't mean it like that. I farted. Let's leave.
I actually had a dream a week ago. I wasn't part of it, but my brothers were penetrating each other. I have two brothers.
What?
And...
Wait, what?
Yeah, no, I don't choose my dreams, Nico.
Wait, come again? Your brothers?
Yeah, my brothers were having gay sex in my dream. And I really didn't like it because it sucks because they didn't consent to doing that, and neither did I. Like, I feel like my dreams took advantage of me because fuck, I never want to think about that. I don't deserve that. Like, what did I do to have that dream? Like, why is this happening to me? And am I supposed to look into it? Like, are you?
No, you're
Can
not.
you be a little bit my therapist? Why did I have that dream, Nico?
Oh fuck. Holy shit. Cease and desist these nuts. LACS 3's canceled.
Jenny, can you just stand right there real fast?
Huh?
I'm just gonna do a camera test.
Okay. Sit.
Yeah, sit down, sit down.
Okay, thanks.
Good?
Yep.
Okay.
Pubic hairstyle, penis size? Wait. What? Hold on. Perfect. Perfect. We're looking damn good. Okay. Stop. I don't. Stop. Okay. Hi. Yeah. It's a cock. It's fine.
Place, I asked the devs, dude. This is just so weird. Unless this is the password like this. License denied. Okay, chat, guys, listen, guys, I'm not gonna spoil you guys, go watch somebody who's gonna play the game. I'm out. Chat, guys, listen, I'm just gonna go back to bed, there's no point.